Welcome to another episode of Fit Tickers. Today we're going to do a band workout. The same foot that we step with is the same foot that we're going to punch with. And then we're going to alternate. Next exercise we're going to do is high knees. Just get in here and do high knees. The next thing we're going to do is sit on the ball and get it out. Are you ready? Let's go. High knees for 10 seconds. Did you see how my shoes light up? Try to do 3 rounds of each.
I have a band. We usually use a rip trainer, but here we just took the back row machine and used the band and had a hook. So what we're going to do is several different exercises as far as for sports. So what we're going to do is we're going to step like we're playing hockey and just step back like we're slapping a hockey puck. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to do 5 on each side, and then what we're going to do is we're going to switch to like a baseball swing. So we're going to just step around like we're scurrying around the bunt, then back, then back. Then we're going to revert it to tennis. We just step, just the overhead, step, and the overhead.
You got all that?
That sounds easy.
You ready to start?
Let's go. So the main thing with this is just trying to work your core, getting that body to move. We said we don't have weight at her age. At 7, we don't need a lot of weight. It's just working that core. Little bands. This is probably about 10 pounds. And the main thing is here is helping with footwork, helping with coordination, eye coordination, stepping, and so forth. This is actually the first time I've ever had her do that, so you could actually see her mind working and trying to get the footwork correct. But it's a cool little exercise as far as working all the muscles through your core, as far as things you could do, as far as exercises that kids play.
We're going to do some dips and move back. If it's too hard, you can just bend your knees and put your feet flat. Try to do 2 sets of 10. I have 2 beanbags here, and we're going to play a game called Whack-A-Mole.
All right, so we just have some big bags here. These are actually just some cornhole bags. If you're doing it outside, what you could do is just draw circles to make it a little game. We're inside today, so I just got some towels. I usually have some rings that I bought from like Five and Below. What we'll do is we'll go back and forth and make it like a little game going back and forth. Do as many as you can. So we're going to do it for 10 seconds. How many do you think you can get? 12 in 10 seconds. All right, you ready? Are you ready? Let's get a little closer. Get your feet a little closer. You got to be able to reach that. You ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep going. 13, 14. And good job. Is that fun?
Yes.
Was it hard?
No.
It's pretty cool. Made it fun, made exercising fun, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Like I said, you can draw some circles and make it more of a game and have everybody chip in and see how many you can do in each little time. But it's a good core exercise. If you don't believe me, you adults try it and see how you do it. Anything for them? Nothing? You got nothing?
Thank you for watching.
And it always,
Don't forget.